Good morning. So, we will be beginning with a new chapter, algebraic expressions. Okay. So, let's see the slides and move ahead without wasting any time. Algebraic expression is your next chapter. That is chapter number 7. So, first of all, let's see what is algebraic expressions. A combination of constants and variables connected by symbol plus, minus, multiply or divide. What does this mean? This means, see, it's a combination 2x plus 3y. See, you can see it is a combination of variables with a constant coefficient 2x plus 3y. Let's see one more example, 5x square. Then 18a plus 13b plus 5c. Can you tell me one thing, class? Which sign is not, we will never see which sign in an algebraic expression but use it?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Good. So you remember, we have discussed all these things in the previous classes also. So terms of an expression. A term is an algebraic expression is either a single number or a variable or a number and variable multiplied by together. Let's see what does this mean. Let's see an example. See, here I have taken an example, 8x square y minus 7x plus 5y minus 1 by 6. So all see, there are 4 terms. Can you see? Because the terms are separated by either a plus sign or a minus sign. So here we can see there are 4 terms. Can you tell me which are the terms? Which are the 4 terms?
Minus, multiply, divide.
What are the 4? Not the signs. What are the 4 terms here?
Ma'am, 8x square y square y
And
7
and
7x ma'am 5y 1 upon 6.
Right. There are with the signs. There are 4 terms with and they should be with their signs. First one is 8x square y, where we don't have to write the sign because plus is understood. Second one is minus 7x because minus sign has to be shown. Third one is plus 5y and the last one is minus 1 by 6 and written as 8x square y minus 7x 5y and minus 1 by 6 because if we don't have to write plus sign with the numbers. Understood the concept of terms of an expression? Any confusion?
No ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. Beta, I have a technical issue today. I have a technical issue today. Please only switch on the speakers when needed or if I am asking, otherwise don't. Please. Okay? Let's move ahead. Now, next is the factors of a term. How to take out the factors of a term? First method is to simply, first 8, I've taken the same number, 8x square y minus 7x plus 5y. So what we do, we see that first we will separate out what are the terms. There are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. What are they? 8x square y minus 7x and 5y. Now we will take one term at a time. See, the factors of 8x square y will be, see here are 4 terms, factors. How? Because x is multiplied by x twice. So it will be 8x, x and y. Any confusion? Any confusion?
No,
Yes? No?
No.
Okay. Well, I am taking the next factor, minus 7x. So see, here minus 7 will be one factor and x will be the other. Now taking the next term, 5y. So 5 will be one factor and y will be the other factor. Have you understood this method? We have done all these types of question in class 6, right or wrong?
Yes ma'am.
We have done.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's just division. Am I clear with it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone
Ma'am, I want to ask something. I want to ask something.
ask us?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Who is asking? Daniel or Asham? Who is asking? Daniel or Asham?
Ma'am, Asham.
Okay, loudly speak.
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, 8x square y, we have written 2 times x.
What does x mean? What does x square mean? What does x square mean? x square
Ma'am,
का
2x.
x square का क्या मतलब है पहले बताओ?
Ma'am, it means 2x.
2 times x or 2 plus 2x?
No, ma'am, 2 times x.
So have I not written correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer was in your question only. Okay? Now,
Okay,
can I
ma'am.
move on? Can I
Yes,
move on?
ma'am.
Okay. So the other format is the tree diagram. This also we know. Let's take an expression. I have taken an expression 13x square y minus class. What's the problem? Are you not able to catch my class or not in a mood to study? समझ में नहीं आ रहा या पढ़ने के मूड में नहीं हो? जो नहीं है वो जा सकते, रिकॉर्डिंग वैसे भी उनको मिल जाएगी, और जो जेन्युइनली मूड में है प्लीज बैठे. यस और नो? कोई जवाब आएगा? Okay, can I begin my class now?
Yes, ma'am.
And it will be a disciplined class now. Okay, now let's move. I have taken here an expression 13x square y minus 7z cube. So first I will find what are the two terms given here. One is 13x square y and the other is minus 7z cube. Right or wrong? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what we will do, we will take out the factors of 13x square y. What will be the factor of the first study? 13. Then there are 2x, so x, and 1. Similarly, we will take out the factors of 7z cube, but this time sign will also be get separated for tree diagram. In case of horizontal method, the sign was not going to be separated from 7, but this time the sign of negative sign, plus sign is already attached, no problem, but if there is a minus sign, that also is separated. See, I have separated minus sign, then 7, then 3 times z. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between the representation of a factor tree, tree diagram, factors of tree diagram, and in horizontal method? The previous one was horizontal method and this one is the tree diagram method. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Should I move ahead? Should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Coefficient. This also we have already done. Just let's take a review of that. Any factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. So coefficient may be a numerical factor or an algebraic factor or a product of two or more factors. What does this line means? Let's see with some examples. For example, I have taken here 3pq. If I say 3 is the coefficient of p and q, am I correct or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
right.
if I say p is the coefficient of 3q, right or wrong? Read the statement and then again see the example. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Ma'am, it will be the product of remaining factors.
Right. The number will be separated and the rest of the numbers will be written as coefficient of this. So, similarly,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
okay. Mute किया होगा किसी ने? नहीं. No one has muted me. Then why my voice is not coming? Should I be more loud? Okay. Q is the coefficient of 3p. Similarly. Now let's take one more example. Can anyone tell what will be the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x. What will be the coefficient of x here? Fast.
Ma'am, X only.
X only.
No, ma'am.
Then if nothing happens,
Ma'am, 1.
1, right.
Copy.
Coefficient of x will be 1 because when no number is written when we write 1, when no number is written before a letter. So if coefficient of x is 1, what will be the coefficient of minus y?
Ma'am,
Minus
-1.
1.
Ma'am,
Minus
-1.
1.
Ma'am, -1.
1. When no number is written before a letter but a negative sign is present, we write -1. Any confusion?
No,
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, nothing. Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Now please switch off the speakers. Switched off? Okay. Now, let's move ahead. Now, I am taking constant terms. The term of an algebraic expression having no literals. What does literal mean? What does literal means? Come on. Fast. The more you time waste, you will be late for your next class. जितना समय वेस्ट करोगे उतना अगले क्लास के लिए लेट हो जाओगे. So tell me.
Ma'am, any algebraic expression represented by a number. Ma'am, letter. Ma'am, letter.
Letter is known as literal. Okay. So let's take an example. Can you tell me what is the constant term here? Can anyone? What's the constant term here?
Voice is not coming.
My voice, if the speakers are off. Only for the answer purpose, the speaker should be on, rest time the speaker should be off. When I ask a question, then only on the speaker because I give time to. What is the constant term in this question? I am repeating my question. What is the constant term in 12x square plus 15y square minus 16? Who knows the answer, just switch on the speaker and answer, otherwise don't switch it on.
Ma'am, -16.
Ma'am, X square and Y square. Ma'am, X square and Y square.
Minus what? One answer. Okay. Who is answering me? Please raise your hand. Who is answering me? I will see. Who wants to answer? Karthik. Asham wants to try. Asham, let him try. Let Asham try. Asham, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 12, 15 and 16.
No, wrong. And that's the constant have any literals.
Ma'am, -16.
Factor.
Ma'am, -16.
16 only.
16
Ma'am,
only.
16. Ma'am, -16.
16 only. The term having no literals is known as a constant term. So in this question, 12x square plus 15y square minus 16 is the constant term. Come on, let's start next one. 2a square b plus 13ab plus 17. What is the literal?
Ma'am.
What is the
Ma'am.
constant term?
I'm 17.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
A square
Abhinav.
B and AB. Ma'am, A square B and AB.
Ah, who said a square ab?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Asham.
Asham? Wait, let me clear. Asham, let me clarify you. First tell me, what are literals? A, B, C, right? Constant term वो terms होते हैं जिनके साथ कोई भी अल्फाबेट नहीं लगा हो. समझ में आया? Constant term वो term होते हैं जिनके साथ कोई अल्फाबेट नहीं लगा हो. तो पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल में -16 के साथ कोई अल्फाबेट लगा हुआ था?
No, ma'am.
क्या 17 के साथ कोई अल्फाबेट लगा हुआ है?
No, ma'am.
लेकिन बाकी के टर्म्स के साथ तो अल्फाबेट लगा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
बाकी के टर्म्स के साथ अल्फाबेट लगा है. That means that rest of the terms are not constant. Only the terms which are having no alphabeticals with it, that is literal factors with it, they are known as constant term. Any confusion? Any confusion? Clear with the concept? Clear with the concept? Should I move
Yes,
ahead?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's me move it. So I've given you one more example. 8x square y minus 6z. 8x square y minus 6z. Can anyone tell me what is the constant term here?
Ma'am, Zainuddin. Ma'am, Ma'am, Ahana. Ma'am, Zainuddin. Ma'am, Krishna.
Same is coming.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, Krishna.
What
Ma'am,
will
6z.
be constant
Ma'am.
term here?
Ma'am, 6z.
Ma'am, Abhinav. Ma'am, Abhinav.
Okay, try. Abhinav,
Ma'am, 6Z.
try. What will be the constant? Okay, wait. Abhinav, no. Okay, where is now? I cannot see.
Ma'am,
you.
Krishna.
Okay, Answer first, and then Krishna. Sham answer.
Ma'am, there is no constant.
Wait,
There is no constant.
wait. Switch off the speakers. All of you switch off the speakers. I've listened to your names. Switch off your speakers. Switched off? Right. Now first answer Krishna. Krish, answer.
Ma'am, there is no constant term, so we will consider 0.
Okay. Now Iram, answer. Iram?
Ma'am, the same. Ma'am,
Same.
there is no constant term. We will consider it.
Ma'am,
Ashram,
Abhinav.
any answer?
Ma'am, Abhinav.
Abhinav, okay. Abhinav, any answer?
Ma'am, same.
Same. So, let's see, you are right or wrong. Please don't make a chaos. Everyone will get a chance, but you have to maintain the discipline, okay? Okay. So, yes, it's 0. I hope the terms are clear. I hope all the terms used in algebraic expression is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
move ahead?
Ma'am, yes,
Should I
ma'am.
move ahead? Should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Yes, what do you want to ask? Sarah? Anything? No? Okay, let's move. Now, like terms and unlike terms. Let's see what are like terms. See, terms having the same variables and same power of all the variables. Means variables will be same, and if the variables are same, we have to see is their powers are same or not. Understood? First step we see, are the variables same? And if all the terms are having same variable, are all the powers, means for it, are all the powers are same or not? For example, here I have taken 2x square, 1 by 3x square and minus 18x square. you can see all the variables are same. Yes or no? X, X, X. And at the same time, the power of all the x is same. That is x square, it's also x square, and it's also x square. Then such terms are called like terms. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Then what will be unlike terms?
No, ma'am.
Terms either not having same variables, and if the variables are same, the powers are unequal. Remember, first condition is we can easily identify an unlike term if the variables are, but if the variables are same, their powers are not equal. For example, here you can see I have taken a number half ABC, half ABC, half AB square. All the three terms are having variables A, B, C. But if you compare all the three together, you can see the power of A is not same in all the cases. The power of B is not same in all the cases. And the power of C is not same in all the cases. Any confusion?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, in these, if power of any two will be same, we can consider them as like
I'm not
fractions.
talking about like terms. बेटा इनमें कोई भी पावर सेम नहीं है. अगर अच्छे से देखो, ए बी सी एक अलग टर्म है, ए स्क्वायर बी सी एक अलग टर्म है, क्योंकि याद है हमने क्या कहा था, वेरिएबल्स हमेशा एक साथ पढ़े जाते हैं, अलग अलग नहीं पढ़े जाते. अलग अलग पढ़े जाते हैं. They are one. A B C is a one unit. A square B C is another term, and A B square C is another term. Is your confusion clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So the three are separate variables. Okay, let's move. See, now this is the topic which is from your level. Now, you have understood what are like terms and what are unlike terms. Types of algebraic expressions are decided totally based on unlike terms. The types of algebraic expression, मतलब algebraic expression के types unlike terms के basis पे होते हैं. So the first type is monomial, means having only one term. If you write an algebraic expression having only one term, then that is known as monomial. So for example, I have written a 15 CD. So this is I have written only one term. And if I have written only one term, then such a case is called as monomial. Let's see another type. Binomial means having two unlike terms. For example, I have taken here 15 CD plus 2 AB. Another is trinomial. Tri means three. Trinomial, having three unlike terms. When an expression is having three unlike terms together, this is known as trinomial. For example, I have written an expression here. You can see there are three terms, 1, 2, 3, and all are unlike terms. Yes or no? The variables are different. Fourth type is quadrinomial. Quad means 4. So having 4 unlike terms. That means having 4 unlike terms. So let's take an example. 4 terms and all are unlike. Go on with the other. Have you understood this concept? Any confusion in this concept? What to repeat? What to repeat and which part to repeat? No? I am ready to repeat. So when what to repeat first, tell me. Come on. समझ में आया या नहीं? हाँ.
Ma'am, I can't understand quadrinomial.
Quadrinomial. कितने टर्म्स है देखो अच्छे से काउंट करो. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने टर्म्स हैं? 4 टर्म्स हैं.
Ma'am, 4. Yes,
4
ma'am.
terms. So that means a quadrinomial. An algebraic expression having 4 terms together is known as quadrinomial. एक term If there is a one term, that is mononomial. If there are two terms, that is binomial. If there are three terms, that is called as trinomial. If there are four terms, that is known as quadrinomial. And the general term for all these types are called polynomial. But the general term of all these terms are known as polynomial. A polynomial can be a mononomial, it can be a binomial, it can be a trinomial, it can be a quadrinomial. In general, an expression containing one or more terms, a mononomial, a binomial, a trinomial and a quadrinomial are all polynomials. इनको generally हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Polynomials. Yeah, what we call them? Polynomials. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now moving ahead with the topic. In this, here you will learn how to add algebraic terms. You will learn how to add. There are two methods. One is horizontal method. The other is column method. First, let's see what the horizontal method is. See, I am taking a question for you. See, I have taken, see, first of all, you see, all are unlike terms, right? If you see the first step, anyone is like term? A square B square plus 4A square B minus 6AB square plus 9. And the second, we have to add it with minus 4A square B square plus 2AB square. What does this mean? See.
Ma'am, there are like terms.
Right. So there I have to taken two expressions or not. One is quadrinomial set and one is a binomial set. Can you see? Now what we will do? First we will put it the first term in first bracket, put a plus sign and copy the whole set of the second term. Have you understood this much? जैसे normally हम numbers को लिखते हैं bracket में. Okay. Now what we will do? We will rearrange the like terms together and put a plus sign and separate it. मतलब क्या है? For example, see. Here what I have done. A square plus B square पहले से लिया और यहाँ देखो in the second expression was minus 4A square B. So taken it in one bracket. Then took 4A square B. But 4A square B was not have. We don't have the 4A square B in other term. क्या हमारे पास है दूसरे expression में 4A square B? नहीं है ना? देखो अच्छे से नहीं है. So we have not written it in a bracket. Now let's take the next number minus 6A square B. We have put a plus sign and then see taken minus 6A square B and check is there any A square B AB square 6 minus 6 AB square term we have taken and checking for the same variable of is any term of is there or not? Is there or no? Check the number. You can see 2AB square is there. So this is the like term. These two are like term or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So copy that like term. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
And again check 9. 9 was a constant. Is there any constant term in the second part?
No, ma'am.
No. So copy it as it is. Is this much clear? What we have done? After copying the question in the form of brackets, that which set has to be added with which set, then we have sorted out like terms in one bracket and unlike in other. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we will do?
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can only add, this I have already taught you. Can we add unlike terms? Can we add unlike terms?
No, ma'am.
We can, but we can add like terms, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will we do? Can we solve the first bracket?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the answer of the first bracket?
Ma'am, 4A square B square.
बेटा यहाँ ए के अगर कोई नंबर ना लिखे तो क्या नंबर लिखा हुआ है यहाँ? ए के
Ma'am,
अगर
1. Ma'am, 1.
और
And 1.
तो आंसर क्या होगा? +1 -4 कितना होता है? +1
Ma'am, 3.
+1 -4 5 होता है?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, -3. -3. -3 A square B square.
minus 3a square b square. Now take plus 4a square b. Take plus 4a square c. It will be positive. So that's complete. Now close this bracket.
Ma'am, your
Now,
voice is not coming.
second bracket. Now solve the second bracket. Now solve the second bracket. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, minus 4ab square.
minus 4ab square. Ma'am, minus 4ab square. Ma'am, minus 4ab square.
On solving it, what we got? Minus 3a square b square plus 4a square b minus ab square plus 9 was our final answer. Have you understood the horizontal method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask.
Yes, you can ask. Ask. Yes, Asham, ask.
Ma'am, in the first bracket, how minus 3 1a whole square b square has come?
Because the value of a is 1. Because if there is no coefficient written, what we write? We have just done. If there is no number written before a variable, what we write?
Ma'am, 1.
1. And if what is the number before this second term?
Ma'am, 4.
4 or minus 4?
Ma'am, minus 4.
So what does minus 4 plus 1 makes?
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, minus 3.
So have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move with the column method. In column method, the writing method changes. What we do, we first write the terms in one column and substitute and write the terms. The second, take the second expression, and you have seen I have just changed the places. Means जैसे a square एक term बन गया, अब second expression से उन like terms को उसके नीचे लिख दिया. दिख रहा है, समझ में आया? Just writing pattern has changed. See, below a square b square I have written minus 4a square b square, minus 6a b square I have written plus 2ab square. I have written nothing below 4a square b and nothing below 9 because there were no terms related to these two expressions. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now what we will do? We will simply add it. What happened? This addition होता है 9 plus 0 is 9. Minus 6ab square plus 2ab square minus 4ab square. Just now you have done the calculation. Then plus 4a square b plus 0 gives us 4ab square, and a square b square minus 4ab square gave us minus 3a square b square. Any confusion? Just the writing pattern has changed.
No, ma'am.
The concept of adding is same. Any confusion?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? Can. I'm waiting for the question only. Fast. You have only 5 minutes. अगला क्लास हम लोग का शुरू हो जाएगा. जल्दी पूछो.
हम लोग इसमें कोई से भी मेथड से एग्जाम में देना हम लोग को, या दोनों मेथड दिखा रहे हैं?
आप कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हो. अगर आपके एग्जाम में लिखा हो कि सॉल्व दिस बाय दिस मेथड ओनली, देन अगर कुछ ना लिखा हो तो कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हो.
मैम जो दूसरा वाला मेथड आपने अभी दिखाया मैम उसको क्या कहेंगे?
पहला वाला हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड है, दूसरा वाला कॉलम मेथड है. ठीक है, वही चीज सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस भी होता है. The same thing is in case of subtraction also, horizontal and column method. Horizontal वैसा ही है क्या? We will first see same method. I have taken a question from and this, and was substituted by plus sign. From will be substituted with minus sign. अब from है इसका मतलब क्या? Second term पहले आ जाएगा and पहला वाला term बाद में चला जाएगा. यही होता है यानी from का मतलब. Right or wrong? Have I written it correctly
Yes,
or not?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. वो पहले आ जाता है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next step will be opening of brackets because plus sign की वजह से कोई sign में change नहीं हो रहा था. लेकिन if there is a minus sign, then the sign will be changed inside the bracket or not? Integers में कर चुके हो?
मैम
अगर
सारे साइंस चेंज हो जाएंगे जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर हैं माइनस के सामने वाले.
so what I have done, just open the signs. So minus 4n square minus 28 plus 10m square was copied as it because there was no sign, that means a plus sign. But here was a minus sign, so minus minus became plus 5m square. This minus sign changed this sign and it became minus 3n square. This minus sign will change this sign and it became minus 29. Any problem till here?
No ma'am.
Asham, any confusion?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, y plus sign changes to minus.
Yes, ma'am.
What changes to minus?
Ma'am, y plus sign changes to minus sign.
बेटा माइनस प्लस हो जाता है, साइन का रिवर्स तो प्लस का माइनस होता है, माइनस का प्लस हो जाता है. आप साइन रूल भूल गए हो क्या अलजेब्रा पढ़ते पढ़ते? हैव यू फॉरगॉटन द साइन रूल्स? बेटा अलजेब्रा भी मैथ्स का ही पार्ट है, साइन रूल्स तो वैसे ही रहेंगे. माइनस चेंजेस टू प्लस साइन एंड प्लस चेंजेस टू माइनस साइन इफ देयर इज अ माइनस साइन बिफोर द ब्रैकेट. एनी कंफ्यूजन? Any
No,
confusion?
No ma'am.
So we will now repeat what we have done in addition. जो addition में किया था वही हम करेंगे and then addition में जैसे किया था वही step अब repeat हो जाएगा and we will get the answer. Understood? मतलब क्या
Yes,
हुआ?
ma'am.
n square एक साथ आ गया, n square वाले टर्म्स एक साथ कर दिए और constant terms एक साथ कर दिए एक bracket में. हर एक bracket we solved each and every bracket and got the answer. Any confusion? See the steps and say any confusion or not.
No.
Repeating the same steps what we did in addition then. We are repeating the same steps what we did in addition. Any confusion?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Should I show the column method?
Yes ma'am.
There will be a slight difference in the column method is that same question. See, this will be the first row and this will be the second row, right? Right or wrong? This will be the first row, this will be the second row as it is like what we did in addition. ये पूरा वही हुआ वैसा we followed the same step of column method as we did in addition. Understood till here? Any confusion till here?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now we'll do, we will see, we will change the sign of the second row. जो सेकेंड रो लिखी है उसके सारे चेंज साइन पलट देंगे. जैसे मान लो यहाँ +3 है तो यहाँ माइनस का साइन लगा देंगे, यहाँ +3 माइनस हो जाएगा, यहाँ ये स्टेप समझ में आया है नहीं पहले बताओ. हमने क्या किया, जो दूसरी वाली whatever we have written in the second row we changed the plus sign to minus, this plus sign is changed to minus and this minus sign is changed to plus. तो अब हम now the new number is minus 3n square minus 29 and plus 5m square. Understood the concept? Any
Yes,
confusion?
ma'am.
Now
No,
we
ma'am.
will now नया नंबर क्या बन गया, minus 4n square plus sorry minus 7n 3 square n square. See, minus 4n square minus 3n square is minus 7n square, minus 28 minus 29 we added minus 57 plus 10m square plus 5m square makes 15m square. Any confusion?
No ma'am.
Ma'am.
अब ये वाले साइन हम नहीं देखेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे, हम ये नीचे वाले साइन देखेंगे और इस नंबर को पढ़ेंगे. समझो क्या हुआ, फिर से पढ़ रहे हैं. -4n स्क्वायर माइनस 3n स्क्वायर, ये वाला साइन हमने इग्नोर कर दिया. -28 माइनस 29, ये वाला साइन हमने इग्नोर कर दिया. प्लस 10m स्क्वायर, ये वाला साइन इग्नोर करके प्लस 5m स्क्वायर. तो हमारे ये सारे नए नंबर्स बढ़ गए और जिन इन नए नंबर्स को हमने जो एडिशन सब एडिशन, अगर साइन सेम होगा तो एडिशन होगा और साइन डिफरेंट होगा तो सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is having
No,
any
ma'am.
confusion? Okay. देखो, all question when I saw exercise 7.1 and 7.2, all the question was same as you have done in integers, added to, subtracted from, and जैसे जैसे language आपने integers में किए थे सारे same है. Just the difference is here is they have used algebraic terms. मतलब यहाँ से उन्होंने algebraic terms का use किया है और कुछ नहीं. So that's why I have given a lengthy homework because you have time, and we will last step is to rearrange. We have to rearrange them. So 15m square, m comes first, alphabetic order है ना, तो 15m square minus 7n square minus 57. Understood? Last step we have to rearrange because
yes,
we have to give the algebraic expression in alphabetic.
Plus, ma'am, in
Right.
plus we have to rearrange.
Right. In column method you have to rearrange because in most of the time in horizontal method you will get the answer in rearranged form only, but in column method the answer mostly are not in the rearranged form, so you have to rearrange. जब horizontal method use करो तो आंसर more or less rearrange में मिल जाते हैं, लेकिन जब हम लोग कॉलम मेथड करते हैं ये जो चेंज नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, इधर से इधर का उधर का कर रहे, सेकंड रो का चेंज नहीं करते, इस वजह से क्या होता है रीअरेंजमेंट चेंज हो जाती है. अंडरस्टूड?
Okay, ma'am.
तो वी हैव टू हॉरिजॉन्टल में बाय डिफॉल्ट हमें रीअरेंज फॉर्म में आंसर मिल ही जाता है, वो अपने आप ही रीअरेंज फॉर्म में आ जाता है. जब नहीं कभी कभार नहीं आता है तो हम रीअरेंज.
मैम
yes
फिजिक्स मैम फिजिक्स मैम इज कॉलिंग.
I know, that's why I want to end the class fast. Now, so your homework for tomorrow, today and till Tuesday you don't have a class, so that is 7.1 and 7.2. Am I clear with the homework? Am I clear with the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the classes will be lengthy, so you have to take patience. If you want the syllabus to be completed by 5th of September, then you have to be patient enough with me, or else complete the syllabus by yourself. What you want? Tell me the open choice. The syllabus to be completed
Ma'am,
by
lengthy classes. Ma'am, lengthy classes.
So next time you will take time and tell the, if there is a maths class, then tell the teacher, ma'am, we will be late for few minutes. You will be informing it, or you will not waste time in answering. Means जो मैम स्पीकर ने आंसर्स को जल्दी जल्दी देना है, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. इट्स अप टू यू व्हाट यू वांट. अंडरस्टूड? थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.